Air fryers have become a popular kitchen appliance in recent years due to their ability to cook food quickly and without the use of oil. However, there have been some concerns about the safety of air fryers, specifically about whether they can cause cancer. While there is no conclusive evidence that air fryers directly cause cancer, there are some factors to consider. When food is cooked in an air fryer, it produces a chemical called acrylamide. Acrylamide is a byproduct of cooking certain foods at high temperatures. Foods that are high in carbohydrates, such as potatoes and bread, are more likely to produce acrylamide when cooked at high temperatures. Acrylamide has been linked to cancer in animal studies, but there is not enough evidence to determine whether it causes cancer in humans. To reduce the risk of acrylamide, it's recommended to cook food at lower temperatures for longer periods of time, and to avoid cooking high-carbohydrate foods in an air fryer too often. In summary, while air fryers do not directly cause cancer, it's important to be mindful of the foods you cook in them and to cook at lower temperatures to reduce the risk of producing acrylamide. Thank you for watching, and stay healthy.